which are the chartbuster ideas coming in from our technical experts? Kunal, you go first.
So that's on Tata Steel, Anisha, and the charts for Tata Steel are at a very interesting juncture because in terms of the risk reward, the placement of the stock, it's at a very attractive point. Now there are two important technical patterns which are coming at an confluence for Tata Steel. One is that the stock is coming back towards the 50-day moving average support. So as you can see, the recent charts, the stock has taken support at this red line, which is the 50 DMA for Tata Steel. This historically over the last 3 attempts have been acting as a major support for Tata Steel, and we've seen the stock ending a phase of correction and restarting a strong uptrend for itself. The other pattern to look out for is that this level is not a it's not just a price support, but it's also a 61.8% retracement support with respect to the previous starting point for Tata Steel. And this has been the same observation the stock has seen in the last 3 attempts whenever the stock has come back towards the 50-day moving average. So this indicates that this could be a major bottom for Tata Steel, at least over the very near term, and we could be looking at the stock crossing this level of 135 and hopefully kickstarting a metal rally yet again.
Right, Nooresh, what's the chart buster that you've identified?
So that's a chart for Indraprastha Gas IGL. If we look at the stock has been sideways and contracting for the last few weeks. Now it's a classical triangle formation here. 4 attempts done around that 480 mark. Today is the stock has shown momentum also crossing 480, closer to 485, 490. So a breakout done. The next resistance would be 510, 520, which could also be taken out. So a first target of 520. Next would be 600. Stop loss at 470.
Thanks so much for bringing us those ideas. Before I take the stock ideas, the mid-cap ideas and the cracker stocks, let me just mark the news flow on Maruti Suzuki because that stock is reacting. It's pretty much on expected lines, to be honest. We knew that there was going to be a preferential allotment that they're going to make to the parent at SMC, and that's on account of that factory deal that they had done in Gujarat. The total purchase consideration was around 12,841 crore rupees, and the allotment is now happening at a price of around 10,420. It's a smidge below the current market price, and I think that's the reason the stock is taking a bit of a slide as we speak. That stock is down almost 1% in the trading session. We'll wait by and see if there's some incremental negative, because for now it seems on expected line. Maybe the price is something that the street did not like at 10,420, but the fact that the preferential issue is happening was pretty much factored in. Moving on then and getting those mid-cap ideas from our experts. Kunal?
I'll go with 2 buy calls. GAIL as the first stock, which I'll suggest as a buy, trading at 130 plus levels. Can aim for a target of 140, stop loss at 126. And L&T Finance is also a stock which has confirmed a breakout today. So would look out for a buy with a target of 150, stop loss 134.
Nooresh, what are your stock recommendations?
So first is a buy on Ipca Labs, the stock near a breakout, stop loss at 950, target price of 1050. Second is again GAIL out here, which is breaking out and showing a lot of relative strength. And the whole gas sector looks interesting. Stop loss at 127, target price of 145.
Right. Okay. On that note.